In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG file to PDF in Adobe Reader. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that this is a paid feature. If you just have the basic Adobe Acrobat Reader, you won't be able to do this without paying, okay? So just to get this out of the way. Now, if you have the paid version, you can go to File, top left, and then here you can click on Create PDF, and then you can click on Select Files to convert to PDF, and you can find your JPG files. So over here, I'm just going to find one. There we go. This is my logo. I'm going to click on it. It's a JPG, as you can see, and I can click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to basically allow you to add one file or multiple if you want to. Then simply click on Convert to PDF. And if you don't have a subscription, if you don't have the paid version, it's going to take you to this website over here where you can either buy an annual or monthly subscription, or you could go ahead and start with a free trial to test it out. And when you do that, then you'll be able to essentially just convert this into a PDF, okay? So that's how you do it inside the Reader, but if you have like Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Pro, in there you'll be able to do it very easily as well. I do have separate tutorials on how to do that, so go check those out in case you are interested. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.